This is Nivea. Yeah, it's good. If you want to interact with her, that'd be great, because I'm trying to get her on video with you. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Oh my gosh, you're beautiful, girl. You're beautiful, honey. Yes, you are. Hi. Oh, you want more? Hey, sweetheart. Oh, aren't you just a love? My sweetie pie. Oh. Oh my God. She's gorgeous.
She's so cute. Hey, baby.
Yeah. There's Ladybug. There's Ladybug. What do you think? Hi, Ladybug. You're sweet. You know I love you. You know I do. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Wet outside. Hey, sweetheart. Yes. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. What do you think? There's my girl. Oh, she's like, I want more. You can just love me all you want. Okay, I will. She's so beautiful. Okay, sweetie. Okay, sweetie. Okay, sweetie. Oh. Oh my God, she just wants to be a lapdog. What's that? What's that? All right, honey. Let's go. You ready to go back? Are you ready to go back? Are you ready to go back? Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready?